This video is sponsored by Shark Home. Robot vacuum cleaners have been around for several years now. You know, those devices that roam your home automatically on a schedule, sweeping up debris. The thing is, they've gotten a lot better, a lot smarter, and a lot more feature-packed. Shark sent over a couple of their latest models. There's the Shark AI Robot VACMOP, which will both sweep and mop your floors, and there's the Shark AI Robot Self-Empty. Let's start by talking about the shared features between the two models, and then we'll talk about what sets them apart. If you're interested in picking either of these up, I'll have links down in the description below. First, there's AI laser navigation. Both the VACMOP and Self-Empty Shark robots use LIDAR technology to scan the environment in your home, building a map that it will use to detect and avoid objects while cleaning, even if that cleaning is done at night or in the dark. It will continuously adapt, learning changes in your home, like if you add a new piece of furniture or rearrange a room, for example. This means that you get total cleaning coverage across your floor, and you can even set up no-go zones in the app for areas that you don't want the Shark robots to clean. For example, maybe you're like me and you have pets, so you have the pet dish, the pet water bowl, and you just don't want the robot to go near that area. You can do that. Which brings me to cleaning customization. You see, aside from the no-go zones that I just mentioned, you're able to customize cleaning so that it happens on your terms. That means you can clean automatically on a set schedule or on demand using the Shark app, or by speaking your command, as the Shark robots are compatible with both Amazon's Alexa and the Google Assistant. Using the Shark Clean app, you can also choose the suction power of both models, the mopping fluid levels of the AI VACMOP, and of course, set specific areas to clean or avoid. Then there's the ultra clean mode. This is a targeted deep cleaning mode that you can use to make sure certain areas or rooms get even more focus. This is good for high traffic zones or just areas where you know more cleaning is needed, or maybe an area where you might have spilled something. The Shark robots will travel to that precise area and increase suction power while cleaning in multiple directions to ensure a deeper clean. Another feature I want to mention quickly is the self-cleaning brush roll, which solves a pet peeve of mine when it comes to robot vacuum cleaners: hair wrap. I have dogs, and sometimes hair and fur will wrap around the brush roll, slowing it down or bringing it to a stop. The Shark units have a self-cleaning brush roll that specifically avoids both pet hair and long human hair from wrapping around it. This means less time manually cleaning your robot vacuum. Again, those features apply to both models. Now let's talk about some of the unique standout features of each, starting with the Shark AI Robot Self-Empty. Now for me, the highlight of the AI Robot Self-Empty is in the name itself. It includes a self-empty charging base that allows the robot to empty itself whenever it gets full, and that base can hold up to 60 days worth of dust and debris. That means you only need to empty it around 6 times per year. The base also has a HEPA filtration system that traps 99.97% of dust and allergens down to 0.3 microns in size. Now, I've had robot vacuums that required me to empty them once or twice per week, so having a unit that just needs to be emptied a handful of times per year is awesome. Now, as for the Shark AI Robot VACMOP, there are a couple of things here to know. First, as you might have guessed, not only does this vacuum the floors with the features I described earlier, but it also features a second mode that will vacuum and mop. When in VACMOP mode, it will vacuum and mop at the same time, which is great, but even better, it has built-in in-app carpet detection. That way it's not getting liquid all over your carpets while it's vacuuming. Second, the sonic mopping feature scrubs your floors at high speeds to break down whatever messes exist. In fact, it will scrub 100 times per minute and everything absorbs into the soft, washable microfiber mopping pad. Again, Links are in the description if you want to check out the Shark AI Robot VACMOP or AI Robot Self-Empty. Thanks for watching as always, guys. I appreciate your support. I'm Andrew Edwards, and I'll catch you in the next video.